Savannah, Georgia out 20 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line from over Port Royal Sound to 8 nautical miles north of Ossabaw Sound, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 34 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fripp Island Wreck, Fripp Island Reef, Fripp and Lead Buoy, Hunting Island Reef, Beaufort 45 feet.